Welcome back. I want to tell you about this bracelet I've made. It has a small ring and a large ring connector that symbolizes mother and daughter. My daughter is moving out in 2 weeks to go to university for the first time. So I don't think I'm ready. So I made this bracelet to remind her of me and for her to know that I'll always be there for her, and I'm thinking of her in case she's homesick or stressed. For me, because I have to take off jewelry and put jewelry on all the time, I decided to put a lobster clasp on mine so I can take it off. And you know, you can personalize it more with birthstones or any other connectors to give it more meaning that's personal to you. For me, I'm just going to show you this bracelet today, and I hope you enjoy it. Make her a bracelet today with this chain. So I want to get as smallest jump ring possible that will fit. That works. And it works on this end. So I'm pretty happy, and this is a 3mm jump ring. Like this. Okay. So now I am going to weld it. Okay. I'm going to check my work. No. So I think I'm going to, don't know why, but I'm just going to increase to 7.5. Okay, and I'm fairly certain that did it. Yes. Okay, so now I'm just going to, because I've done it so many times, fired so many times, there's a bit of fire scale, even though I have the argon gas. And Sherry has her other bracelet already, but this one I think will be nice on top of it. So I'm going to make it slightly tighter than this one, but it doesn't have to be. Okay. I think I like that. Okay. And I'm going to try and measure again. Like they say, measure twice, cut once. Okay. It's easier to hold onto the jump ring like this. Let this drape and then just bring that around, as opposed to holding the other side. Just because it's rather awkward on the other side. I close it slightly, and then I use 2 pairs of pliers to make sure that they are closed properly. And you want it as tight as possible. They need to be touching. Okay, let me see. Got it. All right. So now put on the piece of leather. Okay, I'm gonna focus, and then I am going to weld here. And now I'm just going to clean up a little bit. Here we go. And here is the final bracelet. I'm going to put information as to the components I've used in the captions and a little bit more about the micro welder.